What's up everybody, I'm Jessie and I'm here in the Harley-Davidson garage. Today I'm going to show you a great way to add more luggage capacity to your trike model with the Overwatch Trike Fender Bags. These bags are designed specifically to fit over the left and right rear fenders with flexible mounting options that don't require the bags to be permanently fixed to the vehicle. They are a modern and rugged way to add storage space without impacting passenger accommodations. The two sections of storage space are easily accessed by top zippers and are sealed for water resistance. Each bag has a 12.2 litre capacity and features high-vis grey interiors, which makes contents visible even in low light. The bags also have a MOLLE-style attachment system on the exterior, so you can add your own attachments easily. The Overwatch Trike Fender Bags are sold as a pair specifically for 2026 and later trike models. For more information, head to harley-davidson.com or check with your local authorised Harley-Davidson dealership. That's it from me, your favourite Australian. I'll see you again next time.